Here's the new Vacmaster and Millie. So we pulled it out. You unlatch the sides, both sides, lift the top up, and there were some items inside, a couple items. So here's all the items unpacked. Screws, installation manual. First thing you do is take the filter, snap it on here. Alright, next step, take this rod, stick it in the back. As you can see, there's these two little metal. Push this pin in to allow this to come down. And both sides have one. It'll seat down into there. So the rack with the hose bar up there has these three holes where you're going to mount it. You're going to need to find a stud to line those three holes up on. Luckily I have a stud right here, I'll mark that. Just marked a few holes on each side of the stud and then jammed the screwdriver through the holes of the template as I held it up there. So that's where the screws are going to be. They're close enough on the stud. Okay, fine. We'll cheat them over to the right a little bit to help them line up. 1/8 inch drill bit. And I'll just go over to the right to help us get in the center of the stud. Yep, that's a stud. Next hole. And number 3. Yummy. All right, I had to get a little bit extension on this thing so I could get all the way through. Alright, we got that mounted now. Okay, next step. It says to measure from the closest electrical outlet to the top hole, which is exactly 2 feet for us, and then add 12 inches, so 3 feet. That's how much cord you need. Okay, we are 3 feet out, everything wrapped around the back. Okay, I can't hold this and film at the same time, so next step is just mounting it on there. It just snaps in. You'll see, it's easy. Okay, this accessory storage caddy can go on either side on these hooks. Obviously I have more room on the left, so I'm going to put it over here. These just go in the tabs and pull it down. Stick the locking end of the hose onto the front port. See a little tab here that lines up. Snug fit, it'll look like that. Okay, so there's the main hose, and I pushed super tight to get this other second expandable hose onto here. It seems like it does leak a little bit of air between there, but it still has a pretty good suction up top. Top of it I attached the remote. So the remote turns it on and off via Bluetooth from here. So now I'll try to come out and reach my car. Okay, well, I have to bring my car a lot closer, but I can get to most of it from within reach without having to go in the garage. The range still works. Oh, it's dirty. So yeah, it's got pretty good suction to put on the carpet. And the back seat. The back seat where Millie has been is disgusting. Oops, I accidentally pushed the off button. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, pretty good. Overall, I really like this so far. Alright, so the accessory caddy holds these things. There's a piece sticking up that they slide into to lock them in place. You can also, this wet attachment, you can drop it in there. And there are little recesses to tuck these things in, like on this side. They're all labeled with little pictures, so you can store all of the accessories on top. And finally, when you're finished, you can wrap the hose around the hook in the whole canister, and it is pretty tidy and out of the way.